Turning trash from my old projects into art pieces. Okay, so they're stacking the items together. I actually really like this idea. I have an idea in my head, like what it's gonna look like. I can't wait to see the finished results. Oh, so she is going in and painting it too. Oh, wow. Okay, this is not what I envisioned at all. I thought the wood was going to be left exposed, but look at the color. This is absolutely stunning. So cool, and such a unique piece too. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some trending DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone stacking some table trays. Looks like they're putting some candy in here. Oh, it's a cute little gift. Oh, that's nice. And then we have a DIY table tray. So they just took marble for this. That's pretty cool. And a bowl. Wow. Very impressive. And I love the color scheme. Make your living room look bigger with an industrial mirror hack. So they're DIYing this. IKEA inspired. You could put this anywhere too. It doesn't necessarily have to be your living room. It could be your bedroom, your entryway. I think it would be great in the entryway because look at how amazing that turned out. Just beautiful. Muffin caps hack. I love how we're calling everything a hack, even though it's like not really a hack, but let's see what they end up doing. Oh, actually this is a pretty legit hack. Like they put the muffins in here so that they would stay. Oh, okay, that's clever. I'll give them that. Oh, we have some type of like pedestal tray DIY for this next project. Oh, they're putting lighting in here. Oh, they actually made a lamp. Wow, that is so cool. Oh, okay, wow. Love this design. Such an easy project too. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. They made like their own little bar area. Oh, this is nice. They got the junk food stashed away. So well organized. Definitely looks like professional. Oh, I love it. They did an amazing job with this. Wow. So if you guys are feeling inspired by these DIY project ideas and my reactions to them, please be sure to hit that like button. Also be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss a DIY reaction. There's another look at that mirror. And there's numerous ways to do that project in particular. I've seen quite a few. So then we have a marble coffee table. So did I read that right? Did she say she did that for less than $100? Gorilla Glue. Are you kidding me? I don't know if I would trust it. So she bought pieces of marble and put them together with Gorilla Glue. I don't know if I would trust that. I think what she should, it's beautiful, but I don't know if I would trust that it would like stay, like hold up. I think maybe if you put like cardboard underneath and then put the marble pieces on top, I would just feel a little bit better about the security of that. Just saying. Wow, a beautiful console table. I always love looking at the ones that people make themselves because they come out so unique and just personalized. I just love it. So we have this wall decor piece here for the next DIY. This one involves, it looks like she used like some type of cutting board for this, some nails, and then some twine. So she's like basically wrapping it around, doing the design. That's really cool. This would actually make for like a really cute like door hanger. Kind of has like a whimsical feel to it. So we have another DIY console table here. Oh, I love the natural wood for this. This is so beautiful. If you can, make your own pieces. Like, it will really upgrade your home. Alright, you guys, I hope you did feel some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, hit that thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.